Hello, welcome to State of GNU Ghost video. So today I just want to know, I just want to show you what are the updates for GNU Ghost, and it's very positive. So I never thought GNU Ghost will really materialize, but something is there. Right? So that's the thing. Okay, so I shouldn't be using this one. Okay, so let me just shut it down. I should change my virtual VENV. That is I think virtual environment in Python. Yeah, it's in Globus. Okay, yeah. I think I can start it. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just starting my Jupyter lab. So I think if you have seen the previous video in this channel, you might have known. So I was able to produce a model that kind of predicts that it's been training to predict Ruby code and seems to work. So that's the thing. So yeah, uh I don't want to embarrass myself a lot, so I'll just show an example that works. So over here I've just put like Ruby program to print hello world, and I'm just trying to print the result text of prediction, and yeah, it says world. Okay, it's perfect. No, I won't say it's perfect. So uh, it's good. Okay, so that's the thing. So I just want to show, yeah, something. Okay, yeah, it says mass ROS something. Okay, so something like that. JUPI. Okay, so if I just put okay, let me just try something. Okay, hello world. Okay, yeah, let this be hello world itself. So okay, I don't know why it changes from time to time. It seems to be like human, right? So I don't know why, right? So it just changes. Like given the same input, it just changes. So I just don't know why. So yeah, it could also do more, I think, because this has been built on top of GPT Neo 125 million parameters. So it's already been pre-trained with a lot of stuff. So let me just put something like this. Okay, text equal to. Let me. This is just a trial. Even I just don't know what's going to happen. So, okay, array of planets. Mercury, Venus, and then let me just put like E and just try it out. No, no. It says, okay, it gives colors. Okay, so EART, and now let me just try it out. No. Okay. So let me just try array of numbers. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and I just don't know what's next. So, okay, it's showing nothing. Still nothing. Okay. 4. Okay, I don't know why it isn't working. Before it used to work. Okay, so. Okay. Sum of array of numbers. Okay, right. So I'm just getting carried away interacting with it. So that's the thing. Okay, that's a good thing actually. Class at array of numbers. No. This is not the thing. I just want sum of array of numbers to be computed over here, like a proper Ruby program. No, so still lot to do. So that's how it is. But yeah, there is some model that's there, right? At least it's able to do hello world. So some improvement. Okay, but it's still a real baby. That's what I would say, right? So yeah, so this is the testing program, and this is the training program. Like, okay, I'll just show the training program. Like, uh, let's make the shutdown page. Okay, so this is the training program where okay, it's called improvement.py. Okay, so like I'm just training it on 120 examples in every batch. So all I just need to do is like okay, like Python and improvement.py. Okay, so that's the thing, and this will start training. Okay, so somehow it finishes 120 files very quickly, like these times. Okay, but I just want to show you what happens during training. So I'm using an Apple M1, right? Like if I just go to the CPU, and if I just see over here, like, okay, now it's 37 threads before it even goes up to 48 threads, and it's using Apple C, what to say, like this ARM architecture over here. So it's definitely using this M1 stuff behind, not the Intel thing. So, or Rosetta. So it's really good. And look, 37 threads, and I think it's already like clocked in 2 hours. Okay, so and it's like it's using like 3.5 CPUs now, 2.6 CPUs or something like that. So, or at least the die. Okay, so that's how it's using. So, okay, a lot of stuff is just going on thanks to PyTorch community, thanks to Hugging Face community. So this is how it's getting trained. Okay, and the another thing I just want to show you in this video is like. Okay, so yeah, I'm also printing what is the file I'm just using to train. Okay, so these are all being downloaded from top Ruby projects. Okay, so that's the thing. Actually, it's been downloaded, and yeah, it's already been pre-downloaded by me, and now it's been randomly selected and fed to this GPT Neo, like 125 million parameters. So that's how it goes. So yeah, it just it just like kind of steamrolls or something like that, like, and in fact we are not using GPU over here, right? I wonder what will happen if GPU is being used. In fact, this before this video, I think this 120 training files will get completed and the model might be slightly more better, who knows, right? So that's the thing. And since this is state of GNU goes, I just want to even tell what's going to happen in future. So I'm just looking for some kind of donations or something like for this project, because I know, like, okay, I am going to release sorry, I've already released a model. It's there on torrent. Okay, so if you go and look at previous GNU Ghost video, it's there. Like, and I'm seeing it, but yeah, no one is there to what to say, like download it. Possibly nobody knows about this project, or people are not interested. Who's interested in code completion, right? So that's the thing, right? So yeah, so there is already a model being released, but yeah, I'm very happy about it. So I just want to tell the future of this project. Okay, so if I can somehow get the money and all those stuff, so what I just plan to do is, yeah, this is my home setup. Like, I just plan to put solar panels, and so that will supply power, and I just want to build a rig, that GPU rig of Linux machines, and so that will churn models out. Okay, so the data will be got from some Git repo. Since GitHub is familiar, I've just put GitHub. So GitLab is also, yeah, good. So maybe I'll be getting projects from both the repos, GitHub, GitLab, Codeberg. There are some possibly even SourceForge or something like that, and this will be putting a lot of ghosts for some particular language or something like that, or for some particular framework or some particular file type or something. Then I just want to create front ends for GNU Ghosts for various what to say code editors. So VS Code or something similar and all those stuff. Now VS Code is dominating the market like hell. Like almost nobody's using no other thing, right? So of course, yeah, there are Vim users and all those stuff, Vim and Emacs, but I want to primarily target VS Code and all those things. So what will happen is the GNU Ghost client over there or something like that, whatever that runs in the code editors, it'll, okay, let's say like, okay, these are the 9 types of ghost done for Ruby. Okay, so while a Ruby program is going on, it might randomly select one of the ghosts from the internet, and it'll use as a backend and something like that. And possibly like we can ask like a star rating, like Blue Ghost can ask the programmer a star rating at periodic intervals. How do you think your auto completion is, it's good or bad or something like that. And this feedback goes, okay, so when this feedback goes, and we would have fingerprinted this one, like this ghost or something like that, so this every ghost will have a unique ID or something. So that fingerprint will also like go back, of course, with the consent of the developer. Okay, I don't want to take the source code that's there in the code editor and send it back to our servers. That's wrong. And even if you're sending it back to the servers, it will be done only after the user has kept an account or something, or some anonymous way or something like that. But somehow the user should be able to know like what data he's sending. Either he should be able to query the server logs for him and he should be able to see it, or like possibly a log is stored in computer, like what data has been sent to us, so that like no sensitive data leaks or something like that. Or even if it leaks, uh, it's been found and somehow deleted. Okay, so that's the thing. But yeah, like but basically I just want some kind of star rating for all this ghosts and all those things, and this will be churning out a lot of ghosts. And so it'll be just like genetics, whichever is the toughest survive, and some may not survive and they'll be discontinued and all those things. Okay, so that's how I just plan to do. But yeah, for this, yeah, I need to have some kind of hosting servers and all those things. Yeah, I don't know how much that's going to cost, possibly Amazon Glacier or S3 or something like that, and all those things. So yeah, so possibly if everything goes well, I wanted to power it with solar power. Okay, so there is a computing rig in my there will be a computing rig in my home, so that like I don't waste on this Google or whatever, this Amazon and all this corporate stuff and all those stuff. And somehow just to host this, it should be 24 hours. The ghost should be available 24 hours, so that like it can be downloaded and then something, yeah, like for this only, like I would look like S3 or something like that, like Amazon S3 buckets or something like that. So provided, yeah, I just get the funding somehow. I don't know how I'm going to get it, right? And of course, like some contributors to Gloom Ghost in the future can choose, like, okay, they want to try a very new ghost, or possibly like they can connect uh, their Glue Ghost client with their colleagues Glue Ghost clients, and it can talk. Their Glue Ghost plugin in VS Code can say like, look, uh, your what to say, colleagues Glue Ghost is doing better than the present one. Do you want to download that model or something like that? So, and since this is open source software, we can also ship it with a training module, like that gets trained on your local code or something. But of course those ghosts won't be subjected to feedback or something like that, because they might contain some sensitive data, right? So like that's the thing. So, but yeah, if that works for that person very well, yeah, he can continue using that ghost. Okay, his own personal ghost, that really fits, and or fits his project. Okay, so that's the thing. So with no extra cost, like if he donates, yeah, we'll benefit. So that's the thing, right? So yeah, this is how I just wish to proceed and all those things. So yeah, this is the state of Gloom Ghost. Very positive looking now. So let me see whether the training has completed. No, it's still going on. But yeah, good. Yeah, once it's been completed, it will overwrite that model. What's there? Hopefully, this one will be better. I'm not sure. So, oh, that's the thing. But yeah, like I don't need technical people. Like I don't need technical people to advise me on this project. If you're one, yeah, please do contact me. Like go to, okay, the best way to contact me is like I don't check my emails. Like possibly it is, these are the eras that what to say, emails are just kind of dinosaurs today, right? So that's the thing. So And yeah, I just want to say like, okay, GNU Ghost is not being endorsed by Free Software Project. So I just thought, okay, look, uh, uh, this is GNU's horn, right? So I just thought, okay, putting a horns on Ghost and calling it GNU Ghost will be good. And I just thought, okay, like since I want to make everything open and public and nothing is hidden, it'll be fair to call as GNU. As like just like free softwares have been called, but I just got communicated by somebody from fsf.org. I don't know whether he's just holding an email in fsf.org or he's a real official person. He says, okay, like you need to get endorsed with free software or something like that. So I just said, okay, let the GNU mean that animal GNU, not the free software GNU. So that's the thing. So I wanted it to be the free software GNU, but yeah, looks like there is some procedure to follow to get it done, and I'm very lazy to do that. Okay, so that's the thing. And coming back to how to contact me, this is the way. Like, this is my phone number. You can WhatsApp me or Telegram me. If you send email, I don't know whether I'll reply. And of course, there is a group like Telegram group for GNU Ghost, and possibly you can join there to see updates and all that stuff, right? So yeah, uh, I feel very very positive, like after this hello world model or something, and all of the stuffs are not working. So possibly after training with thousands and thousands of files or something like that, and uh, so possibly something better can be done. And yeah, like just to say, like just to tell you people how many files I've collected, like let me just go to that. Okay, so cat. Oh, okay, so I've downloaded some what to say open source projects and all those stuff. I think it finished training. No. So roughly like there is like 56,297 files. Okay, that's that to train. Let's say like I just train about like 300 files a day or something like that. Okay, so like if I just put like 56,300. Okay, just an approximate. Yeah, because this will increase. Okay, this is just very less number of files. Okay, so I will take like round about like 190 days to train. Okay, so 190 days means it's kind of almost a year. Like if I'm lazy, if I don't do something on other days, it's like 190 days or something. So if somebody can join me in training and all those things, I can help you. Like I can transfer my knowledge. I can help you in this training. I can so that like you'll know about this project. You can have a good internship or something like that, or good contribution for GNU Ghost, and you can put it in your resume and all those stuff. Possibly you can learn about PyTorch, transformers. That's the thing. Okay, so yeah, this is the state of GNU Ghost. Let's see, like if it goes something beyond this hello world or something like that. I don't know whether it'll go or not, but let me see, right? Yeah, that's it for this video. Bye.